Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly handy accessory for all you Garmin watch enthusiasts out there, the Rndono USB-C charger cable adapter. If you own a Garmin Fenix, Forerunner, Vivoctive, or any of the many compatible models, this little gadget promises to make your charging and data transfer experience significantly smoother. One of the first things that truly stands out about this adapter is its multi-directional charging capability. It comes equipped with both right-angled and straight connectors. This thoughtful design means users aren't stuck with just one orientation, offering immense flexibility whether they're charging their watch at a desk, in a car, or even from a power bank. It helps reduce strain on the cable and the watch port, potentially extending the life of both. Beyond its clever design, the Rndono adapter is built to last and designed for convenience. Crafted from a durable aluminum alloy, it feels robust and premium in hand, a far cry from flimsy plastic alternatives. Its compact size is perfect for portability, and the inclusion of a small lanyard with a keychain attachment is a brilliant touch. This ensures that users can easily attach it to their keys, bag, or even their watch case, making it virtually impossible to misplace, which is a common frustration with small adapters. Compatibility is another huge win here. This adapter isn't just for a select few, it supports a vast array of Garmin devices. We're talking about the latest Fenix 8, 7, and 6 series, the popular Forerunner models like the 970, 965, 265, and 255, as well as Vivoctive 5, Venue 3 SQ, Epix Pro 2, Instinct, and even Approach Golf watches. This broad compatibility makes it an almost universal solution for Garmin owners looking to modernize their charging setup with USB-C. Functionality is straightforward and effective. It's truly plug and play. Not only does it facilitate rapid charging, but it also supports data transfer. This means users can quickly sync their activity data, update firmware, or manage settings without needing a separate cable. It's a dual-purpose tool that ensures both their watch's power and information are always backed up and accessible. What makes this offering even more compelling is that it comes as a 4-pack, complete with 4 keychains. This provides incredible value, allowing users to keep adapters in multiple locations, home, office, car, or travel bag, without constantly moving one around. Plus, the brand offers a worry-free lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product's quality and provides excellent peace of mind. In conclusion, for any Garmin watch owner looking for a durable, versatile, and highly compatible USB-C charging and data transfer solution, the Rndono adapter is an outstanding choice. Its thoughtful design, robust build, and excellent value make it a truly essential accessory.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.